Hello and welcome to the English We Speak. I'm Feifei.
And I'm Roy.
Wow, Roy, you've grown your beard back. I thought you'd shaved it off. I saw this picture of you on social media without a beard. Here, look.
That's not me. That's a picture of my son. He does look like me, but he's a lot younger than me.
Every picture on here is of your son. You are really guilty of sharenting.
I am not sharenting. I know what that means. It's for people who share way too many photos of their children. I do not share too much. Besides, he's really cute.
He is cute because he looks like his mother. But you need to be careful how much you share. Let's talk more about sharenting after these examples.
There are many pros and cons of sharenting. We need to think about them before we post all these photos of our children. He needs to stop sharenting. I see so many photos of his daughter. Eric, I'm tired of your constant sharenting. Aren't you worried that your son won't be happy about this in the future?
This is the English We Speak from BBC Learning English, and we're talking about the expression sharenting. Sometimes parents who commit sharenting are known as sharents. Roy, you are a sharent.
I am not. I'm just really proud of my son. I do agree that you need to be careful when sharing things about your children.
Yes, there has to be a barrier between public and private life.
That's why I only share videos and photos of him doing things like playing football. Have you seen how good he is? He's like the new Pelé.
I have. He's really good. And I don't think that's sharenting. And I suppose even though you post a lot, there's nothing too personal. So I'll stop calling you a sharent.
I think sharenting is related to too much information. But we also need to think about what we post, because in the future, my son may be very angry if I embarrass him with a silly picture of him dressed up like a giant parrot.
But there is a photo of your son dressed as a giant parrot. He looks ridiculous. You should remove that photo.
That's not my son. It's me. I like dressing in animal costumes.
He really does look like you, Roy. Bye.
Bye.